Try to visualize what do we mean by angular displacement. In physics, the symbol for angular displacement is this. So let's say for example, we can express it, or we have here 30 degrees. We can express it in degrees or radians. So this time let's try to express it in degrees. So if you watch this ladybug, so here from 0 and then it travels like 30 degrees. So the angular displacement is 30 degrees. Now, how about if we're gonna make it in radians? If we were gonna make it in radians, let's say for example, the angle is around 3.5 radians. So we have here 0 radians. Now let's observe what will gonna happen to the ladybug. So from 0, and then that bag travels here, and then therefore that is the 3.5 radians. Now, how about if we're gonna put an angular velocity? Say for example, I want to move this bug at a speed of 20 degrees per second. So if I'm going to watch the movement of this bug, this is now what you call as the angular velocity. This angular velocity is the speed on its turning, or simply the speed of its rotation. And let's say, for example, if I'm going to write 100 degrees per second, so this is the angular velocity. Now, this time, let's try now to express angular velocity in terms of rad per second or radians per second. So this one is quite fast. Now, a negative angular velocity, say for example, we're going to have here a negative 3.5 rad per second. Let's try to see what will going to happen to the bug. Now, as you can see, it changed in direction. So again, I want to emphasize angular displacement and angular velocity.